Hello guys. So ngayon ay nandito na kami sa bahay. Ayan o, si Lily. Gipang losyonan niya ang kuan. Ang sayang gilosyonan? Ang bench. So, papunta tayo ngayon sa... wala niya gi-appeal po ng bed, no? Oh. Where's your camera? I'm going, malab.
I'm calling Papa.
No. You have a nice memory. We're not going to call it. I'm going to pick up your Tita Jessa and Tita Jairy.
For our house?
Yeah. They're coming.
Mommy, thank you, thank you.
But they are not kids. They are old.
Mommy.
Cannot play with you. Nila kami si Rata. Hello. Oh. This is my husband.
Really? You don't forget how looks your husband? Huh?
I still don't forget the amount of my husband all the time. Ding, 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 ding.
She make think only about chupa chups.
So, mamaya ko na kayo i-update about sa construction site. And, I don't know if it's nice or not. But, anyways, we're going to pick up the two Bebe Jessa and Bebe Jairy. Mamaya ko na kayo i-update dito kasi I'm so excited also to share our improvement. Kasi matagal na tayong hindi nakapag-vlog no after nung pumunta ako doon kay Papang. Ano to siya guys? Anong nangyari? Anyways. They are in Florentina Hotel. And we are 2 minutes from their location. There. Ay, patay. Na. How much the gasoline now? 135. Diesel, 135. Very expensive. Before it's only, we are looking for 52 pesos.
Oh yeah.
Now it's 3 times. Almost 150.
157 in Dumaguete.
Really?
Yes, a few days ago I see 157. 100 peso more per liter.
In Bayawan, it's 140 plus.
Because little down go down, or it's Dumaguete very expensive.
Ngayong araw na to is meron tayong survey. Magpa-survey tayo ulit dahil nga kailangan na natin gumawa ng fence. So, rechecking ng site survey is the same price lang siya ng yung parang normal nagpapa-survey ka lang. But ayun na nga dahil magbabayad din naman tayo ng ng normal na amount. So, ipapa-survey ko na lang lahat. There, like lahat sa isang lot na ito. Yung kabuoang lot dito. Ipapa-survey natin ulit before tayo magpapagawa ng fence. Diba, nasimula na natin to dito. Doon sa sa last part, sa yung hindi pa nabuhuan ng backhoe. Doon tayo magpapa-survey ngayon. Anyways, this is what happened now here. Yung wala ako ngayon na ako nakabalik. Oh. So, yung oilings natin dito, napintalan na siya, guys. And this is what happened here. Tayo sa takainin. Yung worker rooms, nakalas na rin sila. I'm going to show you up there. Anong naigana? Anong naigana na? Unsaon paggawa sa tubig, ana? Unsaon paggawa sa tubig, ana? Naray buslot? Kanang buslot daraw upat kabuok. Okay. Ano na siyang forma, then there, yung catch basin natin. Nag-add ng more hollow blocks. Ah! And then, we'll check the restaurant. Di ba last time nagpag-grout tayo nito? Yung grout na ginamit natin is yung non-stain grout. But the thing is, hala, anong namin? Link naman na. Ha? Taora na siya. So, supposed to be, madali lang yan siyang tanggalin for, no? Kung naano yan siya, na sa ito muna. Pero kay ipadugayan, linan, mangguna sila, dili mo sila maminaw.
Shipping ground. Inikuha na natin. Yung manatayo.
Diretso limpyo.
Yung pagtagata. Isang na mas natural.
Resort na dyan kayo. Dili ba na siya ordinary grout, taro, parting hugawa. Oh. Kay supposed to be, after gibutang na mga after few minutes, kinahanglan na to siya ikuan, kay magahi naman to sa ubos. Ang kanang sa taas, dali ra tanggalon. Ganong color pink ni Por?
Saya na po. Saya pa. Wala magyapon ini.
Wala ra na. Ano gikan? Ito yung binili ni Michael na ano. Brown eyes. Sa ikuan ani. Instruction. Pour sufficient quantity of grease into the tiles of grout. Wet grout, sponge, or cloth towel with a cleaning solution. Wring out excess liquid around for a few minutes, then brush. Remove the stains. Rinse with water. Brush daw. Nakay brush diha. Brush. Brushan daw. After few minutes, then remove with water. Napod kay basin diha nga na tubig.
Tama.
Basta na kay brush ka nang i-brush niyo. Sponge naman na. Brush may gibutang dire. Wet the glass sponge close. Ing na si Rhea dito nga hulman tong grout ay grout katong usa ka dako nga brush.
Brush ka pala ba, ma?
Dili ing na ra siya katong dako nga na brush. Brush di ba por? Brushan. Ang kuan por, unsay daw gani ang survey location kay karong hapon alauna to 2:00.
Makakanap po parker.
Amo na lang pud paadtoon tong taga barangay para mausa lang. Mao gani, di ba naman to katuon tang gi nag-send og kuan.
Tawatan na ini. Wala man ang pero dila na po.
So our door is not yet here, the door for this one. Ako gawa man. The door for this is not yet arrived. I'm not sure if it's good or not. But that's how it looks like. Walang bagong ganap dito except sa railings. Yung pinintalan yung railing. And like that. Yung ganyan na. And then, yung electrician pala natin. Ito na. Yung fence natin, na-plasteringan na siya guys. Nag-plastered na sila. Nag-plastered. But anyway, baklan yan siya dyan. Puhon. And dito banda, nagawa sila ng nato dito. Gawa sila ng stairs. Kasi dito yung entrance. Yung entrance ng papasok ka sa sa loob dito sa apartment. And this is the pool. Wala tayong bago dito sa gym. Dito sa pool, na sila, nag-attach na sila ng mga tiles. So, yun. Kamu na tayo. Yan. Okay, and ito na nga guys, andito na tayo. Nag-break time sila. So, let's continue. Sa swimming pool, yan na yung in-attach na nila yung yung tiles. Nag-start na sila sa flooring. And dito is yung ating slide. Meron tayong dalawang slide dito. From here and the other side also. Ayan na yung ginawa na nila. Nag-boast na sila kahapon. I guess this one. And this is how it looks like here. Meron silang 2 support. And then, libot muna tayo bago tayo umakyat sa taas. And this is the, what do you call that? Stairs going up para mag-slide kunuhay ka doon, no? Someone don't turn off the, the welding machine. Nag-start ng mag-primer. At the same time, nag-start na din mag-skim coat. So, do we really need to skim coat outside? Meron kasi yung nakita kong pwede lang hindi skim coatan. Pero meron na yun siyang waterproofing at the same time, no need na skim coat daw. And dito, sa third room, this is third room kasi nagsimula tayo doon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito tayo. Dito banda is nag-tiles na sila. Yan. This is how it looks like na. Dito naman sa loob ng CR. Ayan. Na totally finished. Murag ungo, jury. Ay, Reggie!
Ay!
Kinsa may kakuan diha sa... Sana?
Namaba ni atong kuha na ni ma'am.
Ano sa'yo namaba ang?
Ano yun?
Kaya ni taas, no?
Taas sa tayo ng buwan.
Kamatay. Anya, sige lang kayo niya. Naan naman na diha.
O sa ma'am, kung sa'yo mangingon?
Ang unsay tawag gana? Kanang welding machine ba? Wala gi-off. Kinsa yun nag-welding ron.
Dili na yun?
Dali na yun. Ang normal.
Para dugay ba daw?
Mao ba?
Kay ang pisa ana niya sulod. Namin si blower iyam nang
Hello guys, today it is the Jessica and McPherson family is going to arrive in our home. So we prepared like a little bit of food, We prepared sinigang, diba? Ang sinigang lagdaghag taba, matay tag sayo, siguro tagtaba-taba. Huwag kang kumain ng matataba. Pero bakit ang sarap ng mataba-taba? What happened, guys? Do not play with that, Lily, please. So we have here also prepared the grill. Yeah, later. Dugay pa to siyang balik. Oh. Dugay pa to siyang balik. Kuha na lang, sige lang, sunuga lang niya. Naaman o yung mga kahoy, diri pwede raman to ikuan. You can sit down there for a while and I will be back for a minute. You hear what I say? But you can arrive here if you want. You don't really need to be there
Mama,
if you don't want.
check the music.
Oh, how is the music?
Better. Nice
very
and
nice.
goofy. Hey, Mom, it's not nice. But it will be back forever. You said I'm pooping on Mama's bedroom. I'm not really lying.
So, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about poo-poo. Accident, Mama.
What did you do?
I just tried to get our remote, but... Oh, Mommy, what is that? Over there?
It's the for cooking. The
The apple?
No, it's not. It's the
Mommy, what is that drunk over there? That this.
no. That is for Ate Agnes. Forget about that.
That pink one?
It's for Ate Agnes.
Can I this? I want that. I want that.
Tell Ate Ria to ano.
Can I this one?
No, it's not mine. Please return. It's Agnes
Mommy.
things. You don't touch what is not yours. Do you understand that?
I want to drink.
Okay, excuse
Mommy, I want that.
Hey, go in or go out. You
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back. I thought there was someone else houses. Hi, Lily.
Very
Hello.
Lisa is like
Talking.
The muse is talking to the boss husband. Husband.
husband.
Balik na ako.
Amen.
Amin, uy. Amin. Kabutan pa, Jerlyn. Uy. Matulog. Unsa ba ni Lula? Amin man.
Tama mo.
Uy, Ginoo. Uy,
So happy.
Ako sa tungkol.
Why you turn off, Mati?
Nanya.
Ha? Why? Okay, it's eating time. Oh. So we have here grill. Huh? Ah, sige. We have here fish. Paningot ang isda.
Ibe, nakay ko.
Ano imo? Grill.
Pork.
Smoke na what? Pork?
This one? Before na aka. This one? This one? Pakibot lang sa bread.
My daddy?
Butter.
Pork? Smoke
Kalimot
ba?
na ko. Unsa?
Itong, ganang gismoke nga karne nga. Ibutang sa pan ka na.
Ah, ham. Ham.
Nadali oh.
Wala na guro na. Katong ham nga katong kuan bagyo di gina-order. Oh, wala na.
Wala na.
So mga my guys,
So mga my guys,
Pizzeria sa balay ni Jarlene, mga my guys.
nagunsahan mo diri mga
Salamat
my
kayo
guys.
mga my guys ha sa pag-invite sa amuha.
Salamat po sa pagbisita.
Lara.
Sige na, pangauna mo mga my guys.
Ano sabi mga my guys?
Ang bread. Ako ka na lang. Sige, ka na lang. Ang butter na diri. The butter is here.
Grabe, ang tulog niya. Ano may ba na, Jelle?
Ha? Oh,
Sa?
butter.
Nabot ka din na nagana ako.
Put here, maybe they want butter.
Kids, you want some? You want silik?
Hello guys, today we're going to the
Kubangan nyo ah?
pool and the beach. So, pasok muna tayo dito kasi sobrang init mga be. Hello.
Hello. What's up, chick?
Hold me.
Called you?
Hold me tight.
Mommy, how about me in your room?
You want to
Mommy, how
come?
about me in your room?
I waited yesterday for you, but never happened. Nothing happened.
Mommy, how about me?
You come here. Dali.
No.
No, because Agnes may be there.
Ah,
I don't know where is Agnes now. I don't have the phone. Okay guys, we're ready na guys. Bye-bye.
Bye! Bye, Cash! Followers! Where's my camera, guys? Bubut. 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 Bubut.
Mati.
Bubut. Bubut.
So we're going to Liquid Dumaguete.
No.
Liquid Dive Resort here in Dumaguete. So
And
this is our new destination since last time we've been in Zamboanga and Darwin or Bacong. So now we're going to Dumaguete. We will try there how it looks, how relaxing the place. Let's see since today is so litty.
And we're going to play in swimming
And
pool.
so happy. And of
going
course,
to
the
Brian.
kiddos want to go around and play. See you guys there. Bye-bye.
And let's go, guys. Let's go, guys, to Brian's swimming pool.
Ryan is so late. She said,
Okay.
hello guys, we're here. But as of the moment, the guard is on break. So, wala tayong bantay ron. There, dive master training. Pa-training na ako doon. Asa na ilang entrance?
Na? So,
Asa ba entrance?
There's the entrance. There.
Ha, under the trees? Pero,
This reception for the guy. Dagat eh.
Below it, your own friends. Our book-in is at all.
Ay, sus, ginaw ka mahal, oh. Na?
For like
Hindi na siya.
I love this. Oh no, I keep
You told them what was that? What is that? Tell them. What's that?
jellyfish.
Tell what is that?
It's a kid jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Okay. Oh, candy. Come on. Lollipop candy. Hey, what?
Karga na eh.
Let's go. Yeah. Rodman.
Let's go.
I forgot to bring my camera.
I have it here.
Oh.
Yeah?
Here. I thought I forgot my camera.
Okay. Ano ka na? You can give them a tour.
My head. What else is there?
Yung una mo.
What is ready? What?
Una ra mo. Talaga ko man eh. Init ba kayo?
Pinabayaan na. Ano ako dito na yung tayo na sila po. Hello.
Asa mo dapat ka na, ma'am?
Which one?
Namin fans, mga fans, dili lang. Kasi mo init niya.
Really? What is the party? Who are you like that party?
Muinit man ni siya. Muinit ni siya. Mga around 1 or 12. Pero pag ganahan naman mo diri, pwede na naman. Okay lang nga. Okay lang? Sige, diri na shadow.
What happened?
Ate is asking if you want shadow in there. Okay, ano ka muna?
Ha?
Give them a tour.
Table
Wait lang.
fraggles and table.
Everyone, so... Saan siyang resort, ma'am?
Jardin Resort.
Wow, so very beautiful, the Jordan Resort. So this is the owner. So this is the owner of the resort. Oh. I see that, so very beautiful. If you want to visit this, please contact Geraldine Dudkuski. Oh, we have ano dyan, oh. Americana. Pero may kwan na rin, limpyo. May limpyo. Magkiki. Totoo. Ako may iturusan ako niya akong mga vlogger, akong mga kan ba. Uy. Okay. Jerlyn. Oh, Jerlyn Dudkuski. So, mauna ilang kuan guys. Nindot kayo siya. Di ba? Masabot. Di ba? 100 kayo ilang kuan diri guys. Muna siya ang mga kuan guys. Pang swimming tanan dire. Oh, natin ba? Hala, mga jacket. Diba? Na sila diri tanan. Dako ni siyang resort, guys. So, muna siyang entrance diri. Muna siyang entrance. Kini mo ng entrance. Nata diri sa gift shop, oh. Gift shop. Okay, go.
So, successful ang ating relaxation for today. Tomorrow is their school day again.
Agnes, sinilas mo.
Yung mo siya nila, saan mo ibilin?
Dilirata niya.
Ha?
For in case.
Kanang duha? Bilin ro po na? Asa na sila? Lah, nagdula naman silang duha.
Lili!
Mura pa na yung chinilas wala ikaw.
Lili! Bye-bye, Lili! Mati!
Diha na lang mo.
Mati! Mati, Lili! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye! Ara na lang mo, oy.
Mati, sleeper!
Bye! We're going!
Mati, sleeper, oh.
Bye-bye! Asa kong
Sad-sad pa siya.
sahod.
Bigyan ng jacket yan!
Bye guys! See you later. Ay, sundan na lang ko ninyo. Para dali mo mag-board. Pangatan ako tayo.
Sige, sama to, ma'am. Kay, hindi ka mag-stay there eh. Sayang sad.
Mag-scuba diving ka.
Ha, wala.
Scuba diving din.
No need na mag-inana ako. Kaya nga, mulubog no ang ko.
Mulubog ka, wala na kay kuan. Wala na kay...
Inawa,
Mulubog di ikaw, wala na kay kuan. Kailangan kalumsan ka para mulubog ka.
Dalumog ka siguro na.
So, naa sila di ay diri ka guys. Kanyang souvenir shop. Huwag na kay kwarta, makapalit ka. Pero wala, ayaw na na.
Dala miri.
Ayaw, tuga-tuga.
Kitan ka.
Of course, yung dive shop nila, ayan. Si Rhea, nag-dive na siya kanina. For 1 minute on. I don't know.
Wow, you don't have money?
Can I sell this? Can we check what we have here?
For biting, for us.
That's for you?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so cutesy.
Mito na dito.
What is this? Ito ba, hindi ganyan mo ito hapakon.
Ito baga si Lily. Kay kabos Lily. Ano?
Ano si Lily, anak?
Oh,
Ask Lily,
Pero,
what's that?
Lily.
Ask Lily.
I'm gonna buy my jellyfish.
Pasta jellyfish.
You need to ask Tata.
Sus, Lily ka rin.
Jelly, jelly, jelly.
Lily, ba? Lily, Lily.
Nagbayad na si Mihaw?
I wanna buy a hat. I wanna buy a hat.
Lily na for the baby. Gawa sa diha, kay wala kay kwarta.
Balik na, guys. Let's go, guys. I got driver's license for racing cars.
Maawa, ma'am.
Yeah, for racing cars.
Yes, I know.
This bag.
But for the street, you need a different driver's
Bag,
license.
bag, bag.
You want this?
So can I race first time motorbike?
How much is this? There's a price. It's 850.
Yeah, for me.
She's not gonna use it. She's just trying to.
I want to buy some.
How many of you?
Put it back.
4 adults and 2 kids. Put it back. Come on. How old is back. The girl, the boy is 5. The girl is 3. Put it back.
Mama, can I buy something from the shop?
No, man.
Please, can I buy
No,
something
Martin.
from the shop?
We have a lot of stuff there.
I want some just other stuff. I like some cute.
So here is your bill. Check it out, please.
I have a little necklace.
Wow, hey mama.
I want this necklace to buy later.
Thank you. Okay na, vlog na.
Come here, love.
Oh,
You
look.
have a lot of toys in your room.
I want tiny necklace.
Shiny necklace. We will make your turtle as jellyfish. How jellyfish look like?
Sakit mo.
Like that?
Di ba nagsakit ng dito? Ambot na.
Nag-training ka? Ha? Nag-training ka? Maupo. Ako, tango. Tango, The beach is just there. It's nice because it's high tide.
Ay, di siya sakit ka na yun. Baka na bang...
Kumaon?
Dili pod pamaol ka na bang...
Mulmul?
Dili, uy. Dili, man. So guys, abot nami sa among mansyon.
Now we need to...
I want.
Mate! Mas lami pa akong kape. Mate will stay inside the car. Alam niyo ba guys, na nag-order ako ng kape.
You go out or
Pero mas masarap pa yung kape ko dito sa bahay.
Dili na ila.
Uy, lami ilang.
Pila po to.
Pero I don't, it's not my taste lang.
Pila po naman po ito na.
Mahalon pa, Jud. Mahalon sa resort, of course, mahal dito siya. Mahalon pa, Jud. So guys, meron na ako yung